my name is Mohammad Hossein Talasaz, and I record this video from Iran. I am the inventor of the unique Hue robot system that can play the game of the backgammon autonomously. In this short presentation, I would like to introduce my invention and explain how it works, why I built it, and what makes it special. Backgammon is one of the oldest non-board game in the world. It combines elements of strategy, probability, and human intuition. I have always loved this game, but I wanted to challenge myself with something more. What if I could design a robot that understands the game things like human and physically play it on the real board? That was the idea behind this project, to create a backgammon playing robot that bring together mechanicals, electronicals, computer vision, and artificial intelligence in one integrated system. Now, let me explain how the robot works in more technical details. The robot is made of three main subsystems: the mechanical movement system, the perception and vision system, and the decision AI system, and some more another details that I would explain it in future. First one, the mechanical movement system. The robot uses the precise mechanical arm, or in some prototypes, a magnetic XY movement system above the board to move the checkers from the one position to another. Motors like stepper or servo motors are used to control movement with high accuracy. The system is programmed to follow coordinate position mapped to the backgammon board layout. For example, each point on the board is assigned specific coordinates. When the AI decides to move a checkers, the mechanical system translates the moving it smoothly and placing it in the new position. To ensure stability, limited switches or position sensors are used, and the movement speed is controlled to avoid shaking or errors. The second main subsystems is vision and board detections. A camera is placed above the board to capture real-time images of the game state. Using computer vision algorithms, especially OpenCV, the robot detects the position and color of the checkers. Each checkers is recognized based on state, color, and contrast agent's board. The software processes the images and updates an internal board representations, just like human players looking at the board and understanding the position. The vision system allows the robot to detect both its own moves and the moves made by the human opponent without any need of manual input. The third subsystem is AI decision making. The AI is the brain of the robot. It receives the current board state and uses a game playing algorithm to calculate the best position move. In my design, I use Minimax algorithm with alpha beta pairing combined with custom elevation functions specific to backgammons, such as peep count, blocking, hinting, and bearing off. The dice roll is stimulated by random number generator, and all legal moves are considered. Then the AI selected the moves with the highest expected value. Its decision is sent to mechanical system which carries it out physically. Integrations. All three subsystems are connected via central controller, a Raspberry Pi, or a PC running Python. The components communicate in real time. The camera captures the board. The AI makes decision the mechanical system performance the move. The result is a robot that can observe, think, act all by itself without human helps. Other components. In addition, the robot is equipped with a speech recognition system to receive voice commands and a speaker to talk to human opponents. These features are designed to enhance human-robot interaction and make the game accessibility for the people with disability or visual impairments. I will explain more in future. Assistive backgammon robot for the people with physical disabilities. For the user with a limited body movement but can speak or move slightly, this user can give commands with the voice or speak or hand gesture. The robot understands and performs the move. For users who cannot speak or move, this user can control the robot just with their eyes. How it works? A screen shows the backgammon board. The users look at the pieces and target the position. The robot moves the pieces on the physical board. It's like playing with only your eyes. No hand, no speak needed. This robot also helps blind players enjoy the game. The players touch the brailled pieces and dice to find the board situation. Also, the robots say the dice roll. With sounds and touch, blind player can finally play and enjoy the backgammon. With the special thanks for pay attention to me.